in rotation. Get it, I can lead. I should stay in the location.
Look who's back. Finally. Oh my god, cutie. Now you're making me shy. You look so cute. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं साल भर से नहीं मिली हूँ. You look so adorable.
You guys, I don't think you guys know, but she has moved to America a while back. It's been 3 months, and I'm just so excited to spend the holidays with her and just see New York and make some new memories. This is my 4th time to New York, but I've never been here during the holidays, and I'm super excited because I'm meeting my best friend, my sister, Nidhi. It is so exciting. The first stop is getting pizza and some coffee. We found this beautiful place and the food was lovely. It is super cold right now in New York and मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है because usually New York में मैं जब भी आई हूँ तभी इतनी ठंड नहीं रही है and actually holidays में New York बहुत सुंदर लगता है. The decor of the whole city is beautiful and you have some special things that happen only in December. I'm super excited to be here and मैं और निधि बहुत पहले से प्लान कर रहे थे. School time से actually हम ऐसे ड्रीम करते थे कि काश हम एक साथ एक गर्ल्स ट्रिप पे जा पाए एंड हमारा ड्रीम पूरा हो गया एंड वी आर इन न्यूयॉर्क. वी टुक द सबवे एंड आवर फर्स्ट स्टॉप वाज सेंट्रल पार्क बिकॉज इफ यू आर इन न्यूयॉर्क यू हैव टू बी इन सेंट्रल पार्क. तो अगर आप न्यूयॉर्क जा रहे हैं आई वुड रेकमेंड कि आप टैक्सीज या कोई और पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट छोड़कर आप सबवेज लें. बहुत ही ईजी है. यू कैन जस्ट सी द स्टेशन, यू कैन फिगर इट आउट. आपको थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा बट इफ यू टेक द सबवे इट इज सुपर कन्वीनियंट. यू कैन गो एनीवेयर एंड इट्स सुपर ईजी. हियर वी are at Central Park and look at this view. It was so cool to see this place during the snow. Oh my god. Last time I was here, it was actually warm and I think it was the summer. And this time, look at the snow all around me. And I love wearing this super cute coat and just hanging out with Nidhi, just walking around this park. I have so many memories walking around Central Park and just now we made some more memories. This is such an iconic place. यहाँ बहुत सारे मूवीज शूट हुई है और बहुत सारे शोज जो मैं देखती हूँ वो यहाँ पे शूट हुई है एंड इट्स जस्ट सो आइकॉनिक टू बी देयर विद योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. देन आफ्टर सेंट्रल पार्क वी गॉट सम पास्ता एंड फ्रेंच फ्राइज एंड टाइम्स स्क्वायर. ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू आर इन न्यूयॉर्क, टाइम्स स्क्वायर इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग प्लेसेस इन द वर्ल्ड. Seriously. Also, guys, I got featured at Times Square billboard. Yes, Chameleon got featured in Times Square. It was so cool to see that. मेरा ड्रीम था कि मैं इतने सारे बिलबोर्ड्स में से कोई एक बिलबोर्ड मेरा हो एंड वो हुआ. वो ड्रीम मेरा पूरा हुआ एंड दैट वाज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मोमेंट्स ऑफ माय लाइफ. अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा है मेरे YouTube चैनल पे है. प्लीज गो वॉच इट एंड स्ट्रीम माय सॉन्ग Chameleon. And then we found this super cool photo booth and we took pictures together. It was such a fun experience.
Free hats. Now what are you trying to do?
Yeah. I'm getting this on to keep this in tight.
Why?
And we can have some sip of water or
No.
some hot chocolate
Yes.
and some hot coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Let's go. I love your energy.
Next morning, we woke up super early and went to see the sunrise at the Brooklyn Bridge. It was so gorgeous. ये मेरे wish list पे था. Even though मैं न्यूयॉर्क बहुत बार आई हूँ, but मैं कभी भी Brooklyn Bridge पे नहीं गई हूँ, which is surprising. But I've always wanted to be there. It was super chilled. But it was like 7 a.m. और हमने एक बहुत सुंदर sunrise देखा. And New York City was looking beautiful. It was just so gorgeous and I could make my wishes. I could just feel the vibes of the city and took some great pictures. It was such a fun experience to be here. Just so magical. The city is so magical and just from the Brooklyn Bridge with the sunrise, it was unreal. Then we went to this super cool place in Soho जहाँ पे आप bracelets बना सकते हैं with charms. It's like 2 to 3 pieces and then you can just put them all together, make one beautiful bracelet. So I was making one for Nidhi, she made one for me and it was such a fun experience. I absolutely loved the bracelet she made for me. It was so pretty, and it was such a fun experience, and we both are gonna have bracelets for each other. It's just a fun experience you should have if you're there. And then we went to this new place that has recently opened at Times Square. It's called Central Park, and if you're a big fan of Friends like I am, you should definitely visit this place. It has really good food and coffee, and it reminds you of the show Friends. And then it was time for hot chocolate. In this cold weather, I think it was like -3, -4, and this weather mein hot chocolate is just perfect. After this, we went to this super cool place called One Vanderbilt, and it was so beautiful. We got the sunset, and New York looked so beautiful. The entire city was looking surreal. We had the best time there, and I just love watching sunsets. And ये experience, ये moment, मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगी. Definitely recommend to go to One Vanderbilt. You can also go to Empire State Building, and I have done that before, but this time I wanted to see the Empire State Building, so I went to One Vanderbilt. It was amazing. So yes, that was an amazing trip, and I'm glad that we could share this with you guys, and stay tuned for more vlogs. I'm so happy that I'm more active on YouTube now, so stay connected, stay tuned for my adventures. Lots of love.